So I'm Virginia Ellis, Head of Science and STEAM at Barker College, and it's my super great privilege to work with an amazing bunch of educators. We've got people tonight from the Science Department, the Maths Department, DT, all sorts of places across the school with a whole range of different presenters, and we're looking at innovations in future industries. It's a wonderful evening of the students and their parents and their families and their community to engage in all sorts of things that they can do into their futures. We're also really fortunate to have Professor Veena Sawajwala from University of New South Wales, who's one of the most amazing, innovative engineers this country has. And she was actually New South Wales Person of the Year last year. So it's a great privilege to be sharing these wonderful experiences of science and STEAM with our community. And I just think everyone's had a fantastic night.